This is NDTV. NSC.
Talk of NBCC. Late on Tuesday, it announced a big order. It has bagged a 5,828 crore rupee redevelopment project from AIIMS in Delhi, and they will construct about 3,000 flats in 2.5 years. To talk to us about this order, we are joined by Mr. Anup Kumar Mittal, CMD of NBCC. He's joining us on the phone line from Indore. Mr. This project, last time I spoke with you, is the total revenue worth 5,828 crore rupees, and when will you start booking this?
See, last time we spoke about another project of AIIMS, that was construction of trauma center. And this is redevelopment of two properties of All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Okay. Right? So this is a difference between two projects.
Right, that I understand. So they are different. Yeah. Can you tell us what is the deal value, the financial implication? 5,828. Is this the revenue that you will book? And when do you start? For how long will you be booking this revenue?
You see, this is the amount for which NBCC will book the revenue, 5,800 rupees, and it will take say 3.5 years time. I'm taking 1 year's time for approvals from government and other statutory bodies, and 2.5 years for completion of this project. So total 3.5 years time it will take. And the revenue booking will start sometime in third quarter of next financial year, means 16-17.
Mr. Mittal, can you help us understand the cost structure here, and what is going to be the component of revenue for you in this case?
You see, this total cost which we are mentioning has 3-4 components. One is construction cost of the project, and another will be 30 years maintenance of the project, and some revenue for marketing of this property, part of the property. The model of this project is this is redevelopment of two properties, and revenue required for construction of these two properties will be generated from the part sale of these properties. So NBCC will get 10% charges on construction cost and 1% on marketing. So altogether it will become 5,800 crore rupees.
Okay, and as you mentioned that from Q3 of FY16 is something, 16 or 17 if I heard correctly?
16-17.
So FY17 is something that you'll start booking. So how much would that be in FY17, the full year? And then what will be the breakup then year-wise that we can expect?
This is what I said. It will start in third quarter of FY17. Right. And it will go in 18.
It's 10% of the construction cost. So what is the construction cost? It's 5,800 crores, and 10% of that is what you will book as profits from this project?
Yes, you can, safely can take 5,000 crore rupees is total construction cost and other things. And 10% of that, maybe something 4,800 crore rupees. So 10% of that will be revenue, will be booked under construction head.
Right. But you also said that you will get some revenues from part sale of these flats. Are these flats going to be sold by you, or is there an opportunity?
It will be sold by us. It will be sold by us, and we'll get 1% from sale value.
That is the marketing charge, right?
Marketing charge.
Right. But I want to understand, you also have some rights for commercial construction, right? What is the kind of revenue we can construe from that part?
See, when we are saying sale of the property means maybe construction, commercial part, maybe residential part. But altogether, it will be in the range of 5,000 crore rupees, sale of the property.
Okay. Now with this, what is your total order book? As in, how many redevelopment projects are you currently working on, and including this one, and how many are likely to help you start booking your revenues in this financial year itself, which is the remaining half of the year now?
So you see, in this remaining half year of this financial year, except Kidwai Nagar, which is ongoing project, no revenue will be booked under redevelopment project. That is one.
Okay.
And we got almost 4 projects on redevelopment sector. Kidwai Nagar, AIMS, another is IIPA, and with DDA also. These are 4 projects.
Right.
And revenue booking will start at least in 2 projects from next financial year, that is FY17.
Okay, and there were many more projects in Delhi itself which were supposed to come up for redevelopment. Anything else that's there in the pipeline which you're likely to get in the second half of this year?
Yes, we are expecting another huge order of redevelopment in remaining period of this financial year, and particularly Delhi redevelopment of government colonies.
Right. What about the Khitorni project? And post this 5,800 crore rupee redevelopment project from AIMS, where is your order book, and are you on track to meet your
AIMS project? Our order book is about 30,000 crore rupees, and I am expecting by end of this financial year we should have order book of 40,000 crore rupees.
And an update on the Khitorni project? We've been hearing about approvals. Are they through now? Will you start work on it?
Still we are struggling for approval of Khitorni project from government, and I can't give you any timeline on that, but still we are working on that.
All right, Mr. Mittal. Thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV Profit.